New from Camp Chef, the Apex Pellet Grill with gas kit upgrade. The peak of outdoor cooking performance. Now you can roll smoke or rock a flame, all with the same grill. It's built for you to do more in less space. Perfect for any pace or taste. Go from smoking low and slow one moment to fast flame broiling the next. Expertly crafted for next level performance in both cooking modes. And cleverly designed for easy use, cleaning, and care. So, expand your range and go from killer barks to diamond grill marks with the Apex Pellet Grill with gas kit upgrade from Camp Chef, the brand that's been elevating outdoor cooking for over 30 years.
So you want to roll smoke but also rock a flame? The Apex is the grill for you. 30 years of outdoor cooking expertise has led to this professional-grade full-duty pellet smoker and propane grill all rolled into one. Available in two sizes, a 24-inch and a 36-inch. As a pellet smoker alone, the Apex is designed to hold temps like a champ. This lid has some weight, it's double-walled and insulated, and these nesting walls seal in the smoke on the sides while the gaskets seal it in on the front and the back. The heat diffuser is designed to push smoke and heat up the sides of the grill before circulating and exiting through the rear ventilation, giving you even heat and smoke throughout the entire chamber. This lid retains heat so well you'll save on pellets and you won't need a grill blanket for the cold weather. The gasketed lid keeps the smoke in and moving through the chamber. The rear ventilation replaces the smokestack, forcing the smoke down and out, improving the circulation of smoke over your food, which means more flavor. The Apex comes with a premium Wi-Fi enabled digital controller so you can dial in your smoke level and temperature, and pairs seamlessly with the Camp Chef app so you can monitor your cook right from your phone. The pellet sensor on the Apex lets you know when the 30-pound pellet hopper is getting low, so you'll never be surprised by an empty hopper again. Now let's say you need a quicker meal or you have a family member who prefers a burger over brisket. Time to get excited. The Apex with the gas kit upgrade also functions as a full-duty propane grill. Each burner has an output of nearly 9,000 BTUs and can reach temps up to 650 degrees. And the 3 rack levels provide plenty of options for creating direct, indirect, and warming zones. If that's not enough for you, the Sidekick adds a 28,000 BTU propane burner that can reach temps up to 700 degrees. It's great for deep frying, crab boils, or cooking up sauces and gravies. The included flat top lets you cook everything from pancakes to smash burgers. Add on the pizza oven, and you're baking artisan homemade pizzas and breads. The Apex also has some performance enhancement features designed to make your cook a little easier, like 4 digital temp probes, now with their own storage compartment, and internal lights to illuminate the grill surface for those late night cooks. Now, you want a pellet grill for the flavor and the convenience, and you don't have countless hours to clean your equipment. So check it out. Access to the grease tray is on the front of the grill, and the grease tray slides right out. No more having to remove the racks, making it easier to clean the tray more often. And cleaning out the ash pot takes just a slide and a twist with the ash clean out knob in a convenient location at the front of the grill. That's the Apex, pellet and propane all in one grill, delivering dual fuel mastery. We're talking maximum versatility for the foodie who wants it all on one grill. For the past 30 years, our team of designers have been advancing propane cooking in the great outdoors while perfecting pellet grilling at home. And we're proud to offer both to you with the Apex.
Introducing the Navigator series from Pit Boss, an elite grilling experience ergonomically built to provide less strain and more usability. Designed for the modern handyman, the Navigator series delivers unique features like a modular front-to-bottom folding shelf for optional shelf placement. Reinforced support legs with an ergonomic raised height, perfect for that powerful grilling stance. Integrated upper cooking rack storage, so the rack is always there when needed. And a sleek onyx black design, sure to be the center of attention at any barbecue cookout. With incredible 8-in-1 cooking versatility and the robust flavor of 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel. The Pit Boss Navigator series allows you to smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char grill, and of course sear. The external flame broiler lever allows complete control of direct heat up to 1,000 degrees. Heavy-duty construction, porcelain-coated cast iron grates, rear vent dampers, temperature range between 180 and 500 degrees, digital control board with meat probes, hopper sight glass and increased hopper capacity for longer cook times without refilling. And the first series to bring countertop height to your own backyard means you'll have all the tools necessary to navigate through any cook. 3 wood pellet grill sizes, 550, 850, and 1150, offer a range of available cooking space for a variety of needs. The 1230 combination grill offers dual fuel technology. Harness the flavor of wood and the convenience of gas with the added 3-burner gas grill on one side and the wood pellet smoker on the other. The damper lever feeds smoke from the pellet side into the gas side, perfect for cold smoking. Each unit in the Navigator series comes with a custom-fitted cover to protect against the elements and proudly offers a best-in-class 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Wood-fired excellence with the Pit Boss Navigator series.
A wood-fired pellet grill that sets a new industry standard by redefining the pellet category. With its unique engine, built to last construction, low maintenance cleaning, and impressive 200 to 600 degree temperature range. Introducing the first of its kind Weber SmokeFire. It's an all-in-one wood-fired grill that smokes, bakes, and can even sear the perfect steak with sizzling high heat. Weber's all-natural flavored pellets are made of pure wood. Adding something salt and pepper just can't. Weber SmokeFire. Flavor above all. Weber. Discover what's possible.